Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. A toaster is an essential thing in your kitchen. However, I'm limited on counter space, and so anything that has to be on my counter, I want it to look nice. And I get exactly that with this adorable vintage toaster by Wiltal. First, look at this. Could it get any cuter? And the color green. Ah, I love it. I also really love this little rack that you can put on top of it that comes with it. And you can put donuts or croissants. This is an apple fritter, and it was cold from the day before. But I popped it on here and I turned the toaster on and the heat heated it up. It was crispy where it needed to be crispy. The icing melted. It was phenomenal. It tasted like it had just come out of the oven. Another thing that sets this apart is the cute little lid that goes on it. So when you're not using it, it looks nice and finished and clean. So it is a regular toaster as well, so it works really well with toast. I was able to make some delicious toast with my sourdough bread the other day. There's several settings, and I was able to make a delicious little sandwich for myself. So if you're looking for a toaster, this one is the best. But that's just my point of view.